How to fix X Twitter profile update failed issue. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for the X Twitter application on your Play Store. So make sure you have the latest version of the application. As you can see, there's an option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application on our device. So then we're going to go back and then slide up and then go to the app library and then make a long press on the X Twitter application. That will give us these options. So tap on the app info option over here. As you do that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear cache. Then tap on OK. After that, tap on the app permission over here. And as you do that, here you can see different options that need to be allowed. So just go to each option and give the access. And as you give access to all these options, you'll be able to fix the Twitter profile update failed issue as well. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.